sumo shower, make it in way they call person and shower to your own now no know papa, but go and give it to her. Christian, this time around no be only she the man wey let them dey insult the pikin na we one face na Christian and be ne ogun shanto go Christian and Yogo what they say they peace for us. You never hear the friend where you get for a city say the man they peace for us.
The man get bad body odor they smell for ground. The man
they smell now the man they irritate am. The man they smell. He know. The man says 6 months not the near for bed.
Say I know the man
talk for Facebook. He says 6 months not the near for bed. Me I go drop it. I go drop video for him. He not the near for bed. May God punish you, Christian. The most wayward man in the history of Facebook and TikTok. Where go sit down, go let
the man who
go marry.
If you see the man for
children. You are ashamed to your manhood. Brother,
I don't like say Mama Titi say if you see the man, he go give the man slap. I won't make it give a slap.
If me still roll down the husband, they thought to roll that Christian, so I fell land Christian slap. Barry, now true say they swear for you. Zad is talking for a platform. Who they swear for? Now God will punish you, say they swear for you. You not say Barry.
They not swear.
We swear. When Mama Barry.
Tell us say if you talk say they swear for me by me Barry J. Tell us say the video let us swear me bring and come make show now. They don't settle the matter on the 19th. They don't settle the matter on the 19th. They even every day before they said that she begged me to that on the 19th or the 28th of February. So I just do 2 minutes video. I talk say now because say with the quarrel, I save the marriage. Say the safety of the marriage they my hand. Now I not save any marriage because now what I know about now talk.
They're not swear for her. Who said they swear for her?
They're not swearing juju.
That these people never know this which if to say they know, they go no. This also I just block you to say my platform already for the craze. You know, yes, say this in mama they beg say marriage they shake.
Now make they go for say they swear for me. Tell and say me bring the video where they swear the juju. Mona tell and say me bring the video where they swear the juju.
I want ask question. Since when road that day this husband has? Why be saying only road that they carry my friend go meet the man say this is my friend. This is my friend.
Now the one now people where they fuck now. All those useless baby
brother.
Papa.
If person married before now your husband supposed they bring my friend come. Now you they carry my friend say this is my friend. This is my friend. You wait not born for them not feel leave your ass. Now who come born for marry not be even born he married the man. Now you want come leave the ass way born for you. Now God will punish you. If to say the man even responsible with the K leg where they view he where the leg self
with the bad body or then they smell that useless
we need to carry the man leg.
Christian Ojebo. The man they smell get bad body odor Christian. Carry the picture two of the picture together useless people. Yeah, the useless road I could do. You carry the two picture together useless road. That Zadzi now you don't go. Where they talk say they swear for your mama.
That one when I see say woman beat for supermarket.
Woman slap her for Netherlands for supermarket. If I even see her for road, not because I will take beat her.
I save that video. I save and keep in case you want to talk to me.
They will date TikTok live video they make months. Useless people. Network
Sister Barry Jane, I know it's not make me talk before I don't type her for comment, other comment section. No answer there again. Many people want to know, you know, so they don't hear the matter again. They want to know how to settle the issue.
No, not true. They talk. That's the way be Mumu on the 28th. Really, they talk and they come here and shower for a platform. Not be say they lie. That's the go they talk and say they swear for mama. If he talk say they swear for me, tell the Zadia be the mama 3D. Tell and say me bring the video where they swear for the juju.
No evidence. If you not talk like that, you want to give you that one where that lazy man.
That juju that don't cancel on the 19th, don't cancel that juju. No let them deceive you now for TikTok. We juju. Me where they even they beg every day. May I go save the marriage. The man want kill her for us.
You know what when I like about this woman? everything when they talk, they bold. This Barry J, so all word where you they talk, since where this matter they start now, wait till you stand put now you start, and you not be person where they fear, and you trust what you they talk. You understand? I'm waiting I just stay like you be that one. So you go cry.
The family not got the mind for DNA. Now not the husband for command. Now not the family. The husband family for command.
If you want to save yourself,
you don't go fit DNA test con, not be the man get the pikin want to be DNA test con. If not the man go the pikin, if brother for don't be DNA test con.
Wait, so you
This one I brother, this one I brother, this one I brother.
Brother, you said the woman not treat children well. See your brother where your mama trade. See as a dead pocket and because of 1,000 naira and pot of soup we go thief.
They go thief for room. My brother be this one. My brother see no this one too.
Like brother when they catch
this one
now on television, they come they put on for news when they go thief pot of soup, they do pickpockets. Your own brother where thief up and down. Not be your mama trainer.
Now 3 times now you brother see this one. This one I see.
Una think say they play me. I say in family history, yeah.
Like
the same papa, not be say this one not be her brother. The same papa, the same mama. Now they be you.
But bring this boy come outside. All that deny for Facebook say my cousin brother.
I go no, I not go deny. We should
Roll
this
that
papa,
deny
the same
brother.
mama. Mama born.
Even though na cousin, as far say na lineage, na lineage,
This one na junior brother where they catch for
The same papa, the same mama.
This is brother. Why your mama not train and where? Or your papa where come the thief? Why you if you do okay as you dey bragado for media? As your 3 sisters they do a shower, you get one where they still cash for a shower, where they come put for news say that they look for her. Whether you don't use and do money before you come outside. Why you not carry like 2 or 3 of them come abroad? You
Na 4 children, na 4 children, na 8 children. Na mama born.
The mama born many.
No, na 8, 4 boys, 4 girls. Na 8 children
Why
mama
you
born.
no carry them come now?
All
Carry
his
them come.
sister for home, all of the if you see in mama grandchildren, all his sister carry belle, all his sister, all his
They
brother
born
give
for
him
her. Mama never reach how many years? His junior sister for 15 years they don't dey born. Now make you believe say
if you see
Nah.
grandchildren for their house, they're not
they
they
not dey
marry.
marry them. Now fuck them, they fuck them born. Now even when they say marry, rather come here and describe your marry. Marry where you do, you know about 3 children finish. And that
before
marry
you
not be
marry.
you force the man, force the man. The man say no get
they go
money
do the
to carry
marriage.
musician. He no get money for wedding gown. You come by yourself, use money. Your ex can't carry car, can't give you. Rather, now you they talk. If you really marry Odogun as you take the talker, why you not marry Odogun where you go pay bride price, go they beg your mama marry me? Now you snatch and I used to go they beg the man, pay my bride price, pay my bride price. I remember that time you they tell me say if you don't pay your bride price finish, you'll come for the ex-wife. I called the ask you be the ex-wife. The beginning you tell me say no Igbo. Now the man come put my thought say na bini woman born for her. And during that time where I don't even know this woman, your husband don't talk any bad word about this woman, say it's one bad though. He only said the woman every small thing go they say that they can't me for your body, they can't me for your body. Now you can come out now. They talk. Groda was a single mother of 3 before the man. He go first the man, borrow money from
Go marry her.
Say go marry her. When he go Rome, you don't shame no let road that tell people say the man fell married before. Shame no let road that tell people say the man a single father. He tell
You know,
all
they
her friends
say
na single
they say
man.
all your friends, then go they tell you go they tell them say no you born for your husband. Now through this saga, now they tell no say no be you born.
Now
Say na
me
black.
make people know. Wait, come be saying and now you come they say na so use belle go do a shower. Rhoda, I say you're done for now you did so God go punish you no Rhoda. Now God go punish you no you and your family. See your brother, he said now waiting thief 1,000 naira and pot of soup. Your mama no fit trade this one. Now you they cost people children. If they don't cost you, you don't go there yet they cost they fight.
I want to talk something. Rhoda, you go continue to dey explain for the rest of your life. You know, see,
He say only husband.
He say
you go continue to dey explain for the rest of your life. You know, see, it's to say you suffer, marry your own now. You don't get anybody.
They know
wey
they
you
beat
want.
you.
then no go you go get peace. God.
How your wahala go dey?
Una dey
How
hear
would
me?
you marry you? How would you still collect
If you say you marry your own, if you say you marry your own, you no go dey explain. Say as you dey explain. Since when you marry this man, na so
Don't carry that
explain,
your face
explain.
come you are not the joke.
So explain, now you dey explain. Imagine say.
Joy go now give me.
Look at what you are saying. Na your husband I marry o. Na your husband I marry. That video.
You
I
know
won't
say you
laugh.
still prick or you
Oh,
He still the boss today. Oh, you're the shower.
Like,
No, that follow my other
no,
page.
really,
We just back up, Jerry.
no be joke oh, Rhoda, you should be ashamed of yourself. You no see the way the daughter dey talk to you. He say na because of you he learn boxing. Say e go break your head.
Boss, we
He
want
say e
to
go beat your comot for your body.
They go beat on. If they make man say they reach the he go there, go beat the twins. Maybe he go beat the rather. He still use the matter say never fight is when they born her. Picky where they learn boxing, you say you want
Yeah,
to fight.
she be like leke.
he get strength again. Never even
Stamina for ground. She no get we still no get stamina. Stamina no even dey.
The man they use and fresh. If
Jesus.
you dey sleep with the Joma, you want to get strength. The man they
Everywhere
carry
flat,
strength.
no nyash. E be like
No,
slate.
Bobby.
Everywhere
Jay,
just
Mama Titi wey don even advance self when Mama Titi even get better body pass and wey be even
Yeah,
Mama
body.
Titi, Mama Titi born 5 children, 5 good children, solid one at that.
Ew.
See,
You know they see the
brother
way
wey
children
dey
dey talk. If pikin say, I will bust your head. This because of you. I'm learning bossing. Road already. These children go come for you, and when they come for you, you go to collect. You should be
Mama
ashamed
Titi
of
even dey
yourself.
talk am for a platform yesterday. He say that his first daughter Divine self, he even go report Rhoda for school.
Yes, na reporter now.
Mama Titi dey talk am for a platform yesterday.
Okay.
Who say may go report am for station? Person say kuli nya say may go report them for station. Leave that one way don't frustrate.
Kulukuya, that one no go enter house.
He not go enter
That no
house
go
now.
enter
Make
house.
that your husband we go soon enter her, no worry.
That one no go
Must
enter.
still
Wetin
talk
concern her?
kuli nya
Must she
us.
put mouth for everything? Must she put mouth for
That one na
everything?
depression. They want buy am for inside house. Where they come and say
Wow.
may go
That
report
lady, I
them
don't
for station.
understand. Every time body go dey scratch am to talk wetin nobody ask her
When
to
they
talk.
saga start, they go come. They say my husband ask her which husband, Bobo, rabbit killer, liar. So
Rhoda.
when we dey talk.
Brother, you should be ashamed of yourself. You know, see, you go carry, you collect person husband now. So you marry that man now. Na so explain.
He go explain tire and he say
No.
no go reach the woman age he go kpai.
Na so explain.
Na so
You
he talk
explain.
today
Talk
here.
truth.
I record everything.
If you really want to be sincere with yourself, Rhoda Egbudu, you
She's
go know
not
say
happy
life
now.
don tire you. You are not happy. But you just dey try prove a point. All those things wey you dey talk for live stream, you just want prove point to make yourself happy.
You know the hear am. It's shame. This
Just
way
want
don't cry
prove
today.
point. You said
You
check
don't-
am
you
now.
see this saga,
Woman
they
dey call
enter
you,
am
you dey
247.
run.
Only
You no even get
see
stamina.
doing
You
am.
wear kokoshu on top of lace.
His brother fair go prison for Ubia.
You wear kokoshu on top of lace. Kokoshu wey they wear for corporate.
His brother come back again.
Kokoshu wey
go
they wear
the
for
thief.
corporate.
Because of thief, they know they pass their frontage again for Urum. If they say if you pass there, they go drag you, collect your purse for their house for Okoni for there.
Hey, Rhoda, sorry to say, all I have to say is that your shame dey shame me. Na DNA dey ask you since how many
Which one he
months
say
now?
he go call and tell am what to do. That one na goatee. That one na human being. That one way other way not be human being. He want call and tell am
The
what to
honest
do.
truth,
He
e get
not see
wetin
am.
I wan talk before.
All these
E get
people
wetin I
not
wan
even know
talk.
law.
Leave mama na goat. Leave that one. That one no even know e left from e right. E dey with husband.
That one dey
He go
from
dey pokrose up and down.
Ozuo.
Na we
Na
cause am the
that one.
problem wey e dey.
That one way
They
don't
dey talk marriage. That one too
well
dey married.
Ashawo kobo upgraded.
Mumu 3D. Na DNA dey ask you since how many months now you never fit provide am.
You know they
You just
cover
dey
am.
explain. If you explain,
Mama
if
na
you
Momo tell
explain,
your friend make go give the
you
pikin give
explain,
get
calm
am.
down.
You know say na
Since
they
when
mix
you
am
marry
together.
this man, since when you marry this man, you never rest. You just dey explain. Tell yourself truth. Let's be honest. In your
God
closed door,
forbid
you
that
are
go party person
regretting.
go confront
He
me
dey
say I can't
regret,
collect
my
husband.
sister.
You are
Just because they
regretting
confront me say I
bitterly.
can't.
Say who
Regret.
send you?
You know say Rhoda now go sit down and go dey swear for himself. Wetin make me come marry this
He
man?
dey regret say they cry for
They
inside
regret.
house. But they not
You
for
dey
they
happen.
not leave an answer
You
for
dey
the
regret.
They not know.
But if you come outside, you come dey
You
do
dey
like say all
bragado.
is
You
well.
dey
You are
cry for
regretting
inside
say
house.
I wish you can turn back the hands of time. You are really regretting.
Now because
Because
of
make
that
it make
girl's
sense.
daughter now.
You see, you marry your own husband now. As you go party now, you no get business with another. You no get business with person. You no get business with person. You
Even
go
though no,
abroad,
the
you no stay
woman,
2 years. Why? Na belle you go carry.
my
Na wetin
lady,
dem say
my
you go do
lady,
for there.
my lady,
You won't
wait.
even carry. You no carry for single guy. You carry
No,
for man
my
wey don born
lady,
3
no,
children.
my lady, person fit marry man wey get pikin, not be married man.
Eh?
Man,
You
when
won't carry, you don't even carry for
father be
person.
say, and the wife not there, he and the baby mama not there.
Even if you won't carry, you don't carry for person.
If you carry, you don't need to dey insult the
they
S.
see
You know
They don't even need to they drag the woman for so because now you wrong. Now you what
Now
they
you
drag the
wrong.
woman.
You self add
If not
yourself.
be road that people for not know this woman for TikTok.
Thank you.
Or let's say people will know the woman for ground before. They don't know her for TikTok
Now
because
you
of that, because
collect.
of road that.
Now you collect the man
To fear
husband.
kwa.
You not even supposed to allow anybody know say na person husband you marry. But every day you keep on
Now you they
insulting,
come and they drag
this
you
woman,
your husband.
insulting this woman with her children, and people are
But
there
if he
clapping
respond,
for
you
you.
say make him move on. If she respond, you say she not agree move on.
People are
But
May
there
I
they
tell you,
drag
all those
way
people,
they
all
drag.
say,
those
they
people
talk,
they
say-
cry for Roda, they don't like Roda, oh. They don't like her. If they like her, they
This
for
one
tell
no
them.
go
They
there. They
talk,
don't
okay.
know.
Also, all
When
those
you go dey
useless,
sub, all of
all
them go
those
hear am.
useless
Now you
single
go cry
father with
come
the free
outside.
platform.
The honest truth is that now you collect person, but you supposed enter house. The woman is a peaceful person. You supposed even thank God saying a peaceful person. Enter house.
Tell her, say, me go
Keep
do
on
her to a fellow is a
insult-
woman.
He go try
If
to
they
hate
born her
am,
well,
na
make
you
go do
go
her
insulting
for
the
a
try.
fellow is a
woman,
woman.
insulting
I
the
date my
woman
husband, you
doesn't
go
make
collect
sense.
and you cost me. I go your front, I go beat you for there. I go carry, I use and hit work with the
Okay,
man.
now people they talk say
And I
people
go
they
pay
talk
strap
say
and strap I
why
go
the
pay.
woman they go fight. Why the woman they go fight? You forget when they talk say if you see the woman you go beat her. The woman can't see you, so you come and beat me. You say if you
He
see me
not
you
go
go
the
beat me.
woman
Come
say
and
to
beat
say
me.
one fight the woman. Where we are dead then?
They're not the truth. They're just the journal because of say
Where they
they
talk?
give the platform.
No,
to
na the
insult
judge
single
matter.
mother.
See, if na me be all the people say, I go comot mouth for these people because I don't know where they start.
Yes.
They for just allow and say go face your battle. We know the day when you for go collect person husband. We no fit fight when we no know how it take start. We no fit fight when we no know as it take start because when you dey insult this woman and the children, they call them bastard, they call them mashawo. They were not there. They didn't tell you to stop. When you are saying you are going to beat the woman, you are going to beat the woman if you see her. Now the woman see you now, so you come and beat me. You they carry your leg, they run.
And I they greet
You
you.
no
I
even
greet
get stamina
you.
for
I
ground.
greet you. You don't talk to her the second abat. Don't say they slap that one for UK. Now so they say, I they greet you. I they greet you. I they greet you. Now so they land that one slap. Now you know that comes to do for Germany.
Eh?
I they greet you.
Have
You
I
see
ever
me,
met?
you reach your bomb.
Ma,
You
what?
see
Have
aqua.
I? Do I know you before? Have I met you before?
You
English
go carry
can't fool
a
your mouth.
Oh yeah, kia.
Shame on you.
Oh yeah,
Even you are disappointed in yourself.
Instead
Anyway,
they come and
wetin me I want talk. Wetin me I want talk before I come down. Now the man wey marry and put for house now pity. He go too suffer for
You
old
never
age.
lock down and
He
put
go
for
too
bottle.
suffer.
that day when reach us that day go don't cause the matter.
You
Una
You
no
go
know.
too
lock down one put for
suffer.
inside bottle. Now you clear her.
Ooh.
Now
The
man
man go
say
too
the woman say,
suffer.
you know why by the insistence. If the man say he ex wife, his children go greet them, they see face to face like this,
The
everything go
juju go
scatter.
cancel.
I know what they talk. People
When you
no
tell
dey
no say
believe.
na juju
He go
person,
too suffer.
you tell person, person something where you know about the person. Me not even deny. Say yes, he na truth. Wetin happen to me now he talk. I cause he talk the one where I know about am. He just go carry juju corner. That one you tell
Because
me
they
say
cry.
juju. Now they waka they go and the mother.
Now juju before
You know what I tell am? I tell am say if the juju dey work. Why your mama leg never heal?
heal. Thank you.
Fiakwa.
Why brother they catch am for teeth?
The juju dey work. Why
Now
life
him
not
brother when
better
they
for abroad?
catch
Why
for
you
teeth
go
for
marry person
Romeo, he go
husband?
teeth person pot of soup and purse. Now pickpocket. Therefore, he
Your
don't fit
mate
go
dey
prison.
marry sugar daddy wey
This
get
is
money.
the
Go
junior
marry sugar
brother of the
daddy
As
brother
in-
when
wey
they
dey
tell
swear
person say
for.
no fit trade pikin.
Yeah?
This is this junior brother that went to
Brother,
prison
sugar
before.
daddy where you
And now they catch am. This one na Uromi news. Uromi news. No be say na me go bring am come. They come carry am put for our news for Uromi. Confirm the video there with me. You want me I play am?
May I tell you,
go play am.
age wey Regina Daniel take born im first pikin, na
Na
the
him dey
age
talk
wey
to
Rhoda
una.
take carry that belle go first for that old man. If we even carry old man, say carry old man wey
His
get
step
money.
daughter age. Na him take go snatch the man from the children.
Carry old man wey
17
get
years.
money. You go know say this not be this one wey dey swear for.
Leave her now. We dey bring her date now. In way they talk person. See your
brother,
mama
if to
cause
say you wan
pikin.
even marry, if to say you even marry man wey get money, we go say na the money is.
Now they get
You go carry
ashawo. Now they
problem.
get thief.
Problem now you carry since when you marry this man now. So explain. And rather one thing I want to let you know that you don't know.
Now you
and
dey say
you go
person
still
no
know
trade
am very
pikin.
soon
When
in
your
a
mama
short
no fit
period of
train.
time. 5 years from now you go know. You cannot change the fact that those children are Christian children.
But now follow my back.
You
up,
cannot
you
change
just
it.
back up.
Christian, Rhoda, you know fit change the fact that those children are Christian children.
Those children they bear Ejebo before you come the man like
You
so
don't fit change
you are
am.
like
If you
a
like, dey
stranger.
explain for now till tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
You no
Let's
fit
continue.
do anything.
We go dey play
You
and dey go.
understand?
Let's
He want
Just-
cut
I said, make I
He
leave
say
you
he
more
want
than
he want
continue.
he want cut
But
up.
now
He
your
don't want
shame dey
live
shame. You dey
video.
run. They for too big.
Person wey no get shame, don't want live video say, lawyer don't advise my upper. As he advise and say, me will born, me will not fit pay, me will born plenty, me will not pay that man, me will not pay
Nale,
the children wey the first born before. Which lawyer they advise person for them?
come here tell now. That pikin
He
wey
say,
born the Igbo
Rhoda,
woman vex put
not
o.
be say you
The
marry
woman
mumu.
say that
Mumu
he
no
tell am
dey
make no
get
born
the
again. The woman vex put o. Even that twins when you get the belle, can't go take this Cito make it spoil. No gree spoil 2 times now you take am. Yeah? If I tell una say this brother wey go just sit down the bragado, God go punish you. His sister wey go do a shower on a New Year day, abi New Year washing night, no come back 1 week, they come dey find her. They come post her for Romi news. I go still show una. When I dey tell una say still dey talk to people. If mama wey say single mother children, no, una no see children wey mama dey produce. This one I get go first prison. Second time come outside.
Na
If
papa
una
and mama
lie,
na say this goat to we go thief.
as she lock her home for inside bottle, make una still go lock una home. My own no need to dey inside bottle because I no snatch am for person now.
You no
Now
collect am for
snatch
person. You no need
go
to
go
dey
lock
inside
for
bottle.
bottle. My own no need to dey bottle
You
to
no
lock.
collect person husband.
See, I don't need to come lock my home before you buy me Jama goat drink. Goat, not be Nigeria one way she dey put for hand because now she buy herself. Now Jama goat that they use now 8 years, you know say they shine. So madam, no be single mother dey here they talk. You hear so? I know the person no dey fight me for party say leave my husband alone. All of us they never marry.
Una wey dey support am now, more than ask una sef this question now. The
See,
road that wey dey
brother,
support
Ole.
na e get peace. Na to
They
marry e
never
get
know.
peace.
You now look and say get peace. Person wey
No
depressed.
get peace.
Okay, if you go for na man, I come snatch my husband now. Since una so snatch husband, get
No
right.
get
Come
peace.
now.
No be to go
Make
marry
you no
person
separate
husband. You
the
get
past grace
peace.
now.
Rather
They
no
know
get
that they
peace.
collect
Rather
your
dey
husband.
die every day for inside house.
My sister, now true you talk, oh. You don't get
No get peace. Na to go marry. No get peace. They cry. If you just see this
Leave
man,
them, make them dey craze
the
for there.
he and this man you just like that for birth. Now you just look and now as me, I wetin make me just go marry this useless man. I just
Double
now
tap,
do
guys.
that dey
More than
talk all the
double
time.
tap. Criminal or family of a criminal. Rhoda, your mama never fit train your sister wey be a shower. One of his sister, not be today. Hey, may I sit on her?
no be the video when you know do not be make the
So I was having
this
to
now.
nobody. I just want to be sure of myself. Another one. He does say, you get wetin I be one talk. Mama success talk. You get wetin I be one talk. No worry, I go remember. May we play am.
The next you go to hear that they say now man that they fight for.
No, about his sister, now you want to talk Joyous, about his
Who be
sister.
this man? My
About his
husband.
sister.
Na man that they fight for.
You know say you get your younger sister wey dey here wey be single
Wait, I'll
mother
talk
for
that
Germany.
one. You said they'll say na man that they fight for. Who be the man, your husband? Na person fair marry am before you come carry another belle, take go coin for your hand, go give am bono soup for Uromi. Now, that your sister, you know one of your junior sister where he get mark for here. He get birth mark, he show where. That one friend come dey with his boyfriend, whether they call him DJ for Uromi. As he there with the boy now come, that one friend come, true child's birth, he come by. As he by, make you see say no, the husband snatcher dey their lineage. If friend now come go collect, as in let's say person enemy friend, the sister friend can't go because he friend, but he can't go the date the friend boyfriend. As in he got belle for the DJ, he can't through charge bet, he can't buy the pikin can't dey alive. Let's say his husband. As his friend of his Rhoda sister buy, Rhoda sister now can't go collect the friend husband. Can't carry belle for the boy that they call him DJ. Since when that guy can't carry belle for that boy till today, that boy he carry a die for room. He carry a because first of all, as per say mama na shower, nobody need to associate with. And so when it comes to husband snatcher, they get grade, they get BSc for inside. Both his sister, by His sister friend, my sister can't go collect it, that one husband. He other sister, step sister overall, that one can't go snatch man wey get 2 wife before. So now generational cause. If mama too fair born too. Before it comes, you know, say he can't go marry a papa wey get 3 wife before. That kind of person now you go come sit down, they tell you come they say I tap from this blessing. Now God go punish you when you they tap for this blessing of thief. Person where they don't they pass their domot. You say, even though they say who they fight for, they'll say that they fight for man, the man and your husband. You are a remnant. You have no choice. That is when you went for a remnant man. Man where it be say, all body they pee like snake. Snake where go old, go pee.
Old man with the snake.
Readers. I tiff you don't need that. And who I tiff from tiff? The one where you there with now. Two tiff for person.
You hear that? He say mama thief for person. He say he thief for person. Mama constitute thief for person.
Mama not get person away thief. Even though you don't marry man.
If the person never come and come drag
the person never come out. Yeah, the people.
Now let your own. Now you the fight who you thief for your husband. No be juju be that one. You say it thief person. You don't just say person come and say mama.
If the woman even thief, if the woman thief for person husband, so say this thing they go on for TikTok. The woman for don't come outside.
The person go come outside to say why you collect my own.
You know, I mean, rest, you know, collect. Maybe the man will marry now. If he first get pikin before that one, are normal.
Not only they know people's story, how they take thief, how you can't take on a new husband, say they still thief. Brother, you even use your mouth talk and say this is new husband. If care is not taking, you still collect them from your hand. Brother, that's why for your.
This one what they see, so this one what they smell. This one not agree for camo. This one what they smell. What they see for picture. Very fine man.
Which one?
This mama Titi husband self, he and he wrote the husband.
Fine, no, if you see the man for ground, they
see her for picture now, very fine.
Brother carry Oputi, say see the man Oputi, see as he ugly. That man fine for ground, even for pass this former husband though.
He better pass the former husband, no former husband for ground. Now person with the smell.
No, go pour water.
You say may you go pour water. Oh yeah, let's continue. That's small we take the turn. Okay, now let's go.
I don't know why she don't move on.
Yes.
She's constantly calling me husband snatcher, husband snatcher. It pay you say I snatch him. So stop telling people I know they.
He pay you say snatcher. Why be say if your husband come up for us, you they call 10 times. Where you dey? Honey, because it's snatcher. You know if snatch and you carry another person pikin take go snatch person papa without declare because when you tell this man say you get belle, tell people why you run conjure me. You know they explain that part. You said the woman run leave the husband. When you carry this belle, you stay with the man. You still run conjure me.
You not stay with the man.
You run conjure me.
Easy. Why you not stay with the man?
You first stay Italy with the man. Why you fair run conjure me? Because seek asylum like a single mother.
Because he give her paper as a single mother before the man come.
The paper where he get, not be the man give. He never sacrifice anything. Give that man driving license where that man get. Now this ex-wife give her paper where the man get. Now this ex-wife give her paper. Wait, so this same woman. May I block you? May you not hear the story. God punish you. You want me? I know you. I block you. Get out. This same man where you they talk so. The driving license where you the whole key for her, like say na never get car for na generation. Now this woman sacrifice her for her. What you don't sacrifice for this man apart from problem? Since when you know this man a problem or juju to juju, problem to problem. But this woman brought light out of this man. They say when you and this man they load car go Nigeria. Rather, since when you there with this man, what many car you and this man don't load go Nigeria? If your head all your day. Now problem. Today problem. Tomorrow problem. Head load way heavy pass you now you they carry. Since you say you are capable, did they be Mrs. Jebo, Mrs. You not be Jebo? Waiting, even for this man, let me tell you another secret. You know say because of that person not the near this man again. People not the near this man. Nobody they feel follow this man do friend because of this girl. He get one boy where follow this man do friend from his city. And this man come there Nigeria. Rather carry car want go fight the man for us. Because say na man. Because so if you go for follow the husband do friend, he go record you making post, say blackmail you. People know they near the man they do friend. Since when you know this man, you know say now the man come and he carry, which is you. So chop your karma. No, they use and disturb the woman way better pass you. Since how many months now, you know they post rice again. You know they cook well again. Now this woman now rice and
so
where they
party. Now you can they go.
Jollof where the woman they post. When he go he post and wrote down now. Will they get hypertension? Say now my husband money now this woman they use. Even though those three they reach 18 years, your husband will still continue to pay until they finish school. I mean, you know, say after 18 years, he get another money where they get. Yes, not the bragado for media. If Shane was a person, it would have been you. Your husband will be working. He go work. Those women go they cook fried rice. He go they post them. Turkey he go they post them. The best he get away they rain. He go buy them. The children go they wear long human hair. You go they wear TikTok. Do me way. All those things for TikTok. She know they buy and I'm free. Oh, more than they say TikTok. You know they buy and I'm free. That period where I tell do video when I get belay, I not show myself well. Now free. If you buy one thing or they give you the post video, they bring gift for you. May you they advertising. Now free. Oh, show free. Oh, now me road that fee if they change pants. Road that not get reach 2 pants before. Now you they talk of comfortable housewife. Woman where there's my house to talk there with when they bring your matter come.
Yeah, woman.
Not only you, there's my house.